Well, Washington Hospital is the best hospital around.
I think in this program we really emphasize the individual.
Patients will say things like, "You've given me my life back."
Hey Jay, hello. Oh, it's so good to see you. Likewise, likewise. The clinic here at Washington Hospital is unique in that it is really a full-service, comprehensive program for joint replacements. That's really what set us apart from other programs in the area.
I've had the privilege to watch this program grow and to see people traveling here to have surgery instead of leaving town to go have surgery somewhere else has been an exciting change.
We specialize in minimally invasive hip and knee replacement surgery, so total knee replacement, total hip replacement. We try to do that with the most advanced protocols so people can recover faster, going home typically the next day or even the same day. I think what sets our program apart is that when patients come here to our facility, they recognize that, number one, they have their own independent private room. They're in a building separate from the hospital, which is dedicated only to joint replacement care.
There's hope, because some people, when they develop a symptom, they may ignore it, or they may get to a point where they're assuming the worst, that this isn't fixable, that I'm going to have to live with this, that my life is going to now be defined by that hip pain or that knee pain that I have, and that robs people of joy. Joint replacement's been around long enough, the outcomes are known well enough that we can say to a patient, I can intervene and I can make you better than you are.
Being in chronic pain is it's a terrible situation, and having the ability to change that and be able to do the physical things that I like to do, I'm excited to get through this and recover and get back to a normal lifestyle. So here we are at 3 o'clock, so it's 6 hours later. I actually feel fine. The pain is actually just achy. It's not discomfort. You know, they've had me up and out of bed 3 times now. I went into it expecting to be feeling as good as I feel, and I do.
And then your ice pack is there.
I got my ice pack.
And
thanks,
enjoy
Vicki.
your
Thank
hip.
you so much.
I had a full right hip replacement surgery done in January of 2016. I was in chronic, miserable pain for about 18 months before I finally went to Dr. Dearborn, and he said it's time. I couldn't sleep through the nights, I was in pain all day long. I am doing fantastic, and I would say, unless somebody asks me or reminds me about the hip surgery, I really don't even know what happened. Great procedure, great group of people, and I'm so happy it happened.
So I had the knee replacement and it went well. I see people at the swimming pool with these big scars on their knees, and some of them are walking like stiff-legged, and I go, well, what happened? Oh, I had knee replacement. I go, well, then you should be doing great. You should be doing jumping jacks. And they can't.
Good to see you.
Fabulous doctor. I can't say enough about him. He fixed my knees. I think that I'm able to do all this stuff, and I wouldn't be able to. You know, I wouldn't even be able to walk down the hall or do anything, so I'm blessed.
How are you?
I'm good.
It's
How
great
are
to
you?
see you. I'm fantastic.
He did a series of x-rays on me. He said, definitely need hip replacement. And he said, I want you to have good quality of life, and let's get this done. And within 6 weeks, we were finished. They would call me in the evening, want to know how I'm feeling, personal, phone calls. What doctor calls you at 8 o'clock at night and wants to know how you're feeling? Do you need anything? How's things going with you, Sally? If you have any problems, give me a call. And that makes you feel good if, you know, at the end of the night, knowing that your personal doctor calls you and asks you how you're feeling. I'm really happy with my results.
I've had a right hip replacement and a right knee replacement. I did most of my healing back on Lanai, where I come from. I heard about Dr. Saw through word of mouth. You wouldn't believe it. We were having coffee at our favorite bistro in Kona with friends who just had knee replacement. And he said, where are you going? And I said, I don't know, I haven't the vaguest idea. And he said, well, go see Dr. Saw. I looked up his website and called the office and talked to them. And then eventually Dr. Saw did send me an email, and that did it. I said, okay, even though it's 2,300 miles away, we're still coming back to Fremont. And we did.
This is a unique place doing large volumes of surgery at a very high level, but combining that with a compassionate, caring approach to each person.
Learn more at BayAreaHealthierTogether.com.